unlock DJI RC restriction zone. So make sure you are enabling your Wi-Fi. That's mean you have to connect your RC with your uh, mobile device. So I am connecting my with my Wi-Fi, and once done, then connect it and go back, and then press on land. Just press the take off,
Home point updated.
and then you can see this notification comes again. Press on unlock, and then you can see this kind of interface. You have to select your country and put your mobile number. So I am selecting my country and put my mobile number to send OTP. So wait a couple of seconds to get the OTP, and once done, if not, then press resend to get the OTP again. And once done, then you have to select this three and press on unlock, and successfully done. So my drone is ready to fly now. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, please ask in comment section below. Have a good day.